AiXun T400 Smart Soldering Station, the world's first smart soldering workstation. With innovative ideas that surpass the times, redefine soldering station and reshape the soldering experience. Leading new trends of the industry through intelligent, unlimited functions expansion through docking station. Connect to the first TB01 docking station. Support the communication and control of multiple devices. Multiple peripherals linkage. Reserve unlimited expandability. Build an efficient operational core for AiXun ecosystem. Stable as a rock. The master of the soldering industry, T400 host is facilitated by the ring transformer. Anti-interference. Anti-static. Excellent. Stable. Intelligent and extraordinary. The craftsmen work with 320 watts power, worrying-free soldering on large pieces. Built-in neural network temperature control algorithm. Intelligent control ensures swift temperature changes. Rapid heating without overheating and reheating without cooling down. Intelligent control highlights the ingenuity. Comprehensive soldering expert T225 4-in-1 smart soldering handle. Compatible with 4 types of soldering tips with built-in 6-axis gyro. Master the beauty of soldering. New benchmark for initiative standby. Brand new 7-core metal standby holder. Superior heat dissipation. Solid and durable. Safe and luxury. Universal adjustment. Purify at will. 4,000 revolutions per minute high-speed brushless motor provides sufficient power. Dual filtration system. 1 key to clear dust, smoke and odors. Change into a new and fresh environment intelligently. Hands-free operation through voice control. Connect with the intelligent system of BS08. Voice command ensures instant response, dismantling efficiently and easily, showcasing the convenience brought by technology. Ultimate craftsmanship, with both interior and exterior improvements. Improve interior essence. Classic AiXun design style, making sure that you can enjoy the same comfortable experience every time when you use AiXun products. Expand exterior borders. Adopt the same stack process as Apple. Exquisite internal structure. Avoid being troubled by disordered wires. Realize the perfect combination of performance and aesthetics. Assist by Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth. Facilitate upgrading through global networking. Enjoy the latest and updated functions at any time. Be a pioneer in the industry, establishing new layouts of intelligent networking. The peak of the soldering industry, leading the trend. This is the most intelligent, networked, ecological, and spatial product of AiXun, Smart Soldering Master. AiXun T400 Smart Soldering Station.